What Sean is talking about is a car in front of me spins, and the car spins, and let's say we're coming into I'm coming into a left-hand corner like this. In fact, let me just use our corner right here, and the car up ahead comes into the corner, and I notice the car start to spin here as I'm coming into the corner. I'm going to say from my experience that more than 50% of the time when a car spins, the car is going to spin this way. If it's caused by coming into the corner too fast, it's probably going to go out this way. Physics tells us that, right? If the driver is past the apex and it's throttle induced, there's a good chance that the car is going to spin back across this way. So I'm going to make my judgment based on where do I see the car starting to spin. Is it early in the corner, in which case I think the car is probably going to go to the outside, in which case I'm going to go to the inside. Or if I see the car coming towards the exit of the corner, I think there's a better chance, not always, but a better chance the car is going to go there and I'm going to go to the outside. Now, the key to this is we know the car goes to where we look. And so the key is to look where you want to go. One of the pieces of advice I heard years ago from, I think they were NASCAR drivers that talked about this, is drive towards where the car is. Because by the time you get there, the car will be gone. I actually think that's good advice. You know that at some point in time it's not going to work right. The key there is looking at where the car is now, and then letting the car go to either side and continuing to look for that gap, and then looking to where you want to go. Because if you look there, that's where your car is going to go.